Correct.
It's correct, right? Correct or wrong?
Yes.
Ah, cool. Okay, let's see it's right or wrong. Yeah, that's what it's written over here also. Yes, of course. So types of machine learning are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforced learning. Okay, I can give you the certain examples over here. Okay, so this is something called, okay, supervised learning. This we will do practically and we'll see right now what exactly it's going to be. We'll just do the hands-on practically and we'll show how the supervised learning is going to work. I'll just give an example for unsupervised learning and reinforced learning for now. Okay, so unsupervised learning. So it is nothing but it is mentioned as data-driven and everything. Okay, so I can give you a simple example. Everyone have Netflix, right? Netflix.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Have you guys wondered how it is giving the movies whatever you like alone? How it is possible?
Because in Netflix there's an application in it.
One by one. Vaishnavi. Yes, Vaishnavi. No, Vaishnavi.
In Netflix there's an application in it. Like
Netflix is an application. Okay. What does
in Netflix there's an application in which they'll upload their movies, like whatever they made, and then we can see it.
But it is showing the movies which whatever only you like. Say example, if you look at my
Taking our data, sir. When you're logging in, it asks our data, no, sir. According to our data, it finds out what type of movies.
Yes, sir. And like when we search,
wait. One by one, Sharita. One by one, Sharita, finish it.
Or like when we are seeing more movies, sir, what type of movies we see more? Like horror movies means it shows horror. If we see more romantic movies, it shows romantic. If we see action and thriller movies, it shows thriller movies.
Perfect. Exactly correct. It's kind of it collects the data and the information. Yes, Ayur, you want to tell something?
Sir, even in YouTube also it's like that only, sir. If we search one kind of topic, it will show related topics only, sir.
So basically, unsupervised learning is only that we need to give the data and we'll receive information about it.
It is like it will learn it by itself. See, okay, supervised learning is nothing but we will teach something and it executes that action. Like example, I just told you, right? I just told you this is a mobile, correct? Now you believe only this is a mobile. If I say this is a coconut, what do you believe? If you teach the machine,
Sir, if we tell it's a coconut, we won't believe it.
But if I teach the machine this is a coconut, what it will do? It will believe, correct?
It's a coconut.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, exactly. That is what it is. So even the human brains also work similar to that. Okay, but what we do is we learn from many examples and everything, and we categorize. No, that is not a coconut. Like you saying, like no, this is not a coconut. This is a mobile phone. Can't you see? Like you're telling, right? It's like that. Okay, that's how the human brain works. That is similar to the unsupervised learning, basically. Okay. Now, whereas I was telling, supervised learning is nothing but we teach something and it just tells, okay, this is what it is. Okay, you can make the machine literally to tell an apple, and you can make that to tell, no, it's not an apple, it's an orange. You can literally make that to tell. So that is what the supervised learning is. But unsupervised learning, right? It just learns from the data, whatever it is collecting. Whatever it collects, right? Just typically it will learn. Okay, whatever the data you feed into it, it's like I was telling, right? The data, whatever you watch, like exactly like Charita was telling. You watch a movie like in anime, if you watch, it will show suggestion only related to anime. Okay, it is like that. But the better example for the machine learning model, as far as I know, that they have literally made a best algorithm. Have you guys heard about TikTok, right? How many of you heard about TikTok?
Yes,
how many of you use TikTok? I have not used TikTok. How many of you
use TikTok, sir?
Never used TikTok.
Sir,
I had an account
before ban.
also.
You had an account, right?
Yeah, even I would
My
upload
brother
my
used
videos.
TikTok, sir.
Is that can anyone raise your hand? Just raise your hand. Just quickly tell me how does that work? How's the interface? Like what do you do inside TikTok? Because I've used it. No, I have not used it. I've just seen my friends using it and all stuff. But I read an article about it basically. Yes, Vaishnavi, can you tell me how does it work?
Sir, we first need to download TikTok, and then when we go inside, it'll show many videos, and then at the last, like down, it'll show many icons, and that like even if
Okay,
you are
okay. Just
new to
I need to stop there. I need to stop. I need a particular thing. It will show a video, right? So how do you like and dislike, basically?
Actually, there'll be a like,
You just swap it.
Sir, can I, Lenora,
I think you
Yes,
just
Lenora.
double tap it for heart and like
That
it.
is Instagram. Okay. Yes, Lenora.
Sir, so after that side, you have a list. I mean, some icons there like the account, heart, and like. So if you just click on that, it will just like the video, sir.
If you don't like, you can don't like also, right?
Yes, sir.
That is what I want. See, basically, keep it simple. Don't worry about anything. Just a video, like and dislike. Okay. And
Yes,
how many
sir.
seconds a video is?
minimum 15
Like
seconds.
it'll be, it's a short video.
Maximum 10
30
seconds can we keep? Maximum 10
Yeah.
seconds can we keep?
Yeah. Sir,
Okay.
the TikTok has given that
Maximum
30 seconds you can make a video, and then how much of a second you make it.
Okay, I'll just
Maybe only 20 seconds, sir. As
Okay,
in our
let's-
own
let's-
short films.
okay. Let's finalize this. 60 seconds. 60. I mean, sorry. 10 seconds is a video ideal time on an average. Okay. Now imagine I'm seeing a video and I don't like it. I just say I don't like it, and I like it. I don't like it. I like it. In 1 minute, how many such videos I can like it? Like it and how many such video? How much? In 1 minute.
Sir, I didn't actually understand it.
Okay.
Yes, sir, even me.
I'll
How
go.
many videos you can like, sir? Because
Listen.
10 seconds, so you can.
Listen. In 10 seconds, one video is for 10 seconds. Got it? Now,
5 videos, sir.
wait. Let me finish. Shruti, let me finish. Okay. 10 seconds, one video. In 1 minute, how many videos I can watch?
6.
So 5 to 6. That is an average.
6 to 7, sir. 6 to 7 are more.
I just told 10, right? I'll just give a poll. Let me see who's going to add. Okay. In 1 minute, videos for 10 seconds only on an average. Okay. And only 10 seconds. And how many videos I can watch? It's a simple calculation, guys. It's very
Sir,
simple calculation.
I can tell my answer with experiment.
Poll. Okay.
Sir, share that in the screen, sir. The poll.
Okay. Let me see. Why should we have to give the answer? 1
Sir,
minute.
I was
1 minute is
not
about how many
listening.
seconds?
Sir, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds.
So how many videos I can watch in if your video size is 10 seconds? Yeah.
6.
That's why even I put 6 only, sir.
Yeah, so 6 is the right answer. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell here is, guys, listen carefully. In 1 minute, I am able to feed the data for 6 videos. Okay, in 1 hour, how many data I can feed? 6 into 60, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
360.
60 videos.
360.
360 videos.
360. For 360 videos, I can provide data whether I like it or not like it.
Yes.
Correct. So imagine in a week you'll be sitting for 1 hour. For 7 days you'll be sitting for 7 hours or something like that. That is a lots of data for this TikTok. So the best part of this machine learning is the more and more the data
Sir,
you
your
feed
voice
to
is
it.
echoing because Ayut Prabhu is on unmute, I think.
Is it? Just 1 minute.
That's good, sir.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell is the machine learning is about the more and more the data you feed to it, the more and more precise it will be. Okay, it is similar to this phone example only. I'll show you different types of phone. If somebody's making a new model and you just give it to your hand, you'll be able to identify this is phone. Correct. Imagine you have just seen only one phone in your lifetime. Like example, have you seen the old keypad mobiles?
Nokia.
Yes,
no.
sir.
Features, this is what it can do, right? Whatever the features, whatever the keypad mobile had, the calling option and everything, then you'll be able to say this is a mobile. Then when we show more features to it, then you will say it's a smartphone because it can do more activities than what we imagined. Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell. The more and more and more and data you feed into it, feed into a machine, it will be able to predict certain things accurately. Best example is TikTok and Netflix. Okay, the more movies you watch and like and whatever you do, it will give you the videos whatever you
And even
suggest.
like Amazon Prime videos and
Yes,
Hotstar.
everyone use it. And there is a famous thing also, like there was one famous chess player who played chess with an AI. Initially the AI was losing continuously. They played for say 4 hours, some long. Okay, I just read it in an article. Initially he was losing. Then after a certain point, he was never able to sorry, the AI was continuously winning. The chess player, the famous guy, right? He started to lose. Do you know why?
Because artificial intelligence.
Because it was
Little
smarter than
Wait. Ayur got a answer. Yes, Ayur. Because
Sir, because the AI was taking its weaknesses or patterns, sir. How it is.
exactly. It is learning. It is learning his pattern. He's learning the chess player's pattern. It's learning and trying to understand and trying to adapt it. Okay, that is what it is doing. Okay. Cool. So let's go ahead, and similarly, the reinforced learning, whatever I just told you, right? By mistakes, it learns. It learns from its mistakes. Yeah, that is what this
like
is
we
about.
learn from our mistakes we do in our exams.
Of course, of course, correct. So Chuti will be having a really good example because this 1 week she was trying to make a project and I never told her the answer. She was working very hard. So she knows the really good example for that. Okay, cool. Let me go ahead with the session. Yeah, what is the supervised learning? As I was telling this, right? I told the oral part earlier itself. Okay, we are just trying to teach. No, this is an axe. This is a scissor. Scissor is used to cut the paper and all the stuff. Can you just take the axe and cut the paper? Like cut the paper like how you want it. You just have to hit it like that, right? But it won't cut like a scissor kind of thing. Okay. Okay. Let me go ahead. Supervised learning. So supervised learning is nothing but labeled data. So labeled data is not. I told you, right? I am telling this is an mobile and this is a TV, 42-inch TV or maybe something like that. Okay. Now I can teach the machine. This is a 42-inch TV and this is a smartphone. I can just simply teach. It is a handset. I can teach, right? I'll tell. Okay, this is what it is. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's what we call
Yes,
as a
sir.
label data. So what I'm trying to tell is whatever we label it, that is what it will take it. Okay. Cool. Now let me go ahead. Let me go ahead. Yes, supervised learning. This is what I was talking about. I told, right? We just label it as an apple and a banana, and we train the machine learning model, and it can predict the class, what class it is. Just for the fun fact, okay? Just for the fun fact, I'm going to keep this is an apple and this is a banana. What will happen?
The apple will become banana and the banana will become apple.
Why it have become?
Because we are training.
We are giving the wrong data.
Exactly. We gave the wrong data and we are training that particular data to tell like this. Correct? Yes, it's if some machine is doing something is wrong, right? It is not the machine's mistake. So whose mistake is that?
It's our mistake.
Mistake. Creator's mistake.
Yeah.
Created person mistake.
Machine will the machine will feed the data whatever we give. Okay, it will just give the output whatever we just give as an input. So that's how it works basically. Okay, good. Let's go ahead and just give me 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
Yeah, sir. So we can see your screen, sir.
Okay, cool. Yeah, unsupervised learning. Let's go ahead and see what is unsupervised learning. As I was telling, right, we just discussed it. So I think we'll just quickly skip to the end part of it so that Jafita can quickly show us the teachable machine and try. She'll teach us how to train a model. This is Jafita. Jafita is waiting for her to teach her. Okay, cool. So let me go ahead.
So, like with her smile on her face, it means she's very much excited to tell us about her project.
Yeah, she is. She's controlling, not answering, because I told her not to answer. She knows all the answers, whatever I'm asking. She's like, no, I shouldn't tell the answer. Come on, keep quiet, Jafita. Jafita, you should keep quiet. Am I right, Jafita?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and see unsupervised learning. So for this, I can give another best example. Do you guys remember we played a game in the school, right? Quick draw.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I remember. Quick draw, yes, sir.
Exactly. It
We
will
had to draw.
exactly. We have to draw, and like example, it will say apple. So we'll try to draw an apple like some other shape or something like this, right? And
Yes,
it will
sir.
guess. Oh, this is an
Yes,
apple.
yes, sir.
Yes, and also we like sometimes play, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
I
yes,
played
yes.
regularly.
Reset.
Though I played many times, sir, but I enjoy doing it because then I'll be coming to know many more things to draw.
Oh, okay. Cool. Let me check. Let's just try for a couple of seconds alone because I just want to show it alone
Okay.
to just know about this unsupervised learning. So it is telling yoga. Oh my God! Can you guys know how to draw this?
Yes, sir.
Draw some
Pose.
Meditation pose, sir. Meditation
Yes,
pose.
sir. Do a meditation pose. Yes, sir.
Hey, I did it. Okay, got it. Donut.
Don't
Draw circle and then
Okay.
And then put some toppings.
Perfect.
Yes.
Some toppings, sir.
Camel.
Camel, sir.
Oh my God. Camel. Camel.
So easy, sir.
Sir, give the jumps.
That
Sir,
is
put the hum.
sir.
Oh, it's a camel, right? Wait.
Put hum. Yes, sir. Correct. Oh, I know it's a camel.
Oh, finally. Power outlet. Okay, how do I do this? Power outlet.
Sir, four dots, sir, inside a box.
Draw some wires and buttons inside the box.
It's a power
I
outlet.
got it. Okay. A
Pond.
pond.
So easy, sir.
Draw
Put in a random shape and then
put some water, lotus.
It got it. Okay. Hey, it starts with a helicopter.
so easy helicopter.
just make a circle, sir, and then put wings and put the wings and everything.
I know.
No, it's a helicopter.
It's too easy,
Okay.
sir.
Cool. It's quickly done. Now let's see how does the unsupervised learning work over here. Okay, just 1 minute. Now let me just go for helicopter. Look at this. Many people have drawn similar to this. Okay. So what happened is we are feeding the more and more data to it. We are feeding more and more
Data.
data to it. So it is learning. This is what I was trying to tell about. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead. With supervised, this is unsupervised learning. Okay, supervised learning is like we train the input data and we'll ask the model to train it and we'll tell it, okay, what is this? Is it an apple or is it a coconut? It will say, no, it's an apple. It's not a coconut. It will tell. Okay. Whereas unsupervised learning is like we'll just give the various data into it. It will categorize. Okay, this guy will be like apple. So these are all should be banana. And what is this?
Maybe peaches.
Orange, I think so.
Peaches, sir, maybe.
Peaches.
Cherry.
Cherry, it doesn't look
Maybe
like it's different
peaches.
Yeah.
There are
Okay, so-
liches.
But listen, there is a high possibility that imagine if you're not training this particular thing, right? This is not available. You're training only apple and the banana. Okay. If you show this, right, there is a high possibility that the machine will think it is an apple because both are similar to it. Can you see only one thing is a little bit of shape and a little bit of color is changing? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
There is a high possibility that it will say no, it is not something similar to apple. Okay, so it is always about machine is trying to teach it by itself, basically. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and just give me a second. Okay, it's just loading. Mention the type of learning displayed here. What are the categories?
Unsupervised learning, sir.
Unsupervised learning, supervised
Perfect,
learning.
because it is categorizing. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Categorizing. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead. It loaded for you guys. Oh, for me, I think there's a network issue. That's why it's taking too much time. Okay, now it's turn for Jafita to get active. But before Jafita is going to take the session, I'm going to play a small video. Then Jafita posts that the session is for you. Cool.
Okay.
Okay, I'll make the Jafita to promote to moderator so that she can take the presentation in time. Okay, let me play a video.
Like when he's on it, he'll end at 12:30 or it's gonna end by 1 or something.
Okay, because we started the session at 11:45, 15 minutes late, right? Okay, let's start the video now.
People are training computers and creating machine learning models to
Sir?
explore all kinds of new ideas.
Yes?
New ways to
Sorry to
interact,
interrupt, but I can't see the video because it's from
to
YouTube,
understand the
sir.
world,
Oh, okay, I'll
to
place
play,
it on the public
and
chat.
experiment.
Yes.
But machine learning is pretty intimidating to get into. So we've been wondering, what if it wasn't? With Teachable Machine, we set out to make it easier for anyone to create machine learning models without needing to write any machine learning code. When it first launched in 2017, it allowed everyone to get a feeling for what machine learning is all about. But now, Teachable Machine puts the power of machine learning in your hands, allowing you to save your models and use them in your own projects.
So let's say you want to build a model to recognize you versus your dog. You just open up the site, record samples of you and samples of your dog. Click train, and you instantly have your own machine learning model, which you can use in your sites, apps, and more. You can upload your model to host it online, or download it to work entirely on device.
With Teachable Machine, you can create custom models for all sorts of things. Using images, audio, or even poses. Personalized machine learning models for the things that matter to you. And folks have already been trying it out, using Teachable Machine in their own experiments, solving problems in their communities, or even just at home. Start creating and see where your ideas take you at g.co/teachable machine.
Awesome. I'm really excited to know how this machine learning model is going to work. Jafita, definitely I need your help. Can you just please take over the session and show us how does this teachable machine works? Are you ready?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, over to you, Jafita.
Okay, so have you Googled the word teachable machine, or shall I send the link to you guys?
I googled.
No, Jafita, we have Googled it.
Okay, then can you click on the link?
Jafita, I've just given you the presenter option. You can just share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Guys, first observe what she's trying to do. Just try to learn it. Then we'll just try to implement it over there. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So did you get a page similar like this?
Yes.
Yes, Jafita.
Okay, so you can click on Get Started and click on Image Project. Okay, so the classes are the divisions of what and all we are going to make the AI to identify. So I've got some fruits and vegetables. I'm just gonna rename the classes to whatever I have gotten, like red apple, green apple. So to add a class, you can just click on this plus symbol and so you'll be able to add a class like that.
So others have any fruits or something? No? Any fruits in your hand? Okay, no problem. Let's observe what Jafita is doing right now. Then we'll
So
just
we are
try
using
to...
the things that are around us: books, pouch, earphones.
Ah, wow, that's so nice. Okay,
Yes.
go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. So then after that, you can just
click on webcam and you can start recording your fruits or your objects. So mine has already the button has is already set to record 3 seconds. So now, like if yours is not set to record 3 seconds, then click on settings and set your duration to 3 seconds and let the delay stay as 2 seconds. And you could just click on save settings. Now you can show your fruits and then record it. Just gonna do the same for all the other fruits.
Looks like Charita has started to record her headphones. Do. It's okay. No problem. Go ahead. Guys, any doubt you can ask her. Ask her and she'll be helping you out. Jafita, that mango looks so yummy. Mm.
Really, sir. This is the season of mangoes, and I finished all the mangoes.
All the mangoes. You never told me.
Sir, I started from April. For 1 week, only half of the mangoes were over. The next week, another half was over. Sir.
No. But you never told me. Mango is my favorite. It's gone.
Sir, I thought you don't like fruits, sir.
Who doesn't like fruits?
Yeah. Maybe we can avoid onion. Onion is a vegetable, so we can avoid that. Onion I'll eat. I don't eat bitter gourd in brinjal. Mm. Oh, Charita, what is that? Book or purse?
Okay, so
And so, sir.
Okay. Hey, look, something Jafita is doing. She trained the model. I mean, she took the picture of, I believe, apple, green apple, red apple, banana, mango, and tomato. Mango is my favorite.
yes.
Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and see.
Okay, so after you're done this, your train model will become a blue button. So you should click on that. And you should wait until the training data has prepared completely.
So what do you think is happening on the behind, Jafita?
So we have given the data for everything, and it's just training itself to identify what and all we are showing. So after this, if I show green apple, it should be able to identify it as a green apple.
Okay, cool. Shruti is trying to train her pen. Take a bigger object. That would be nice. Vaishnavi, are you training yourself?
Sir, now, like, I'm not able to do it on this, sir. I was asking, but I don't know. She could hear it or what.
Oh, it's it. You were on the mute while you're asking.
Oh, sorry. Sir, if I'm going to webcam, sir, it's like we can't on a video or something like that. So I love here, sir.
Okay, don't worry. Jafita will help you out. Okay.
I
Now,
love here. If I'm offing here and doing, it's coming, sir. So I'll do that.
Okay, cool. Guys, just look at the screen. Jafita have just completed her training the model. Please look at the screen.
Okay, so after this, you can click on the export model and upload your model.
Guys, look at this things. Shruti and others, please look into this. Jafita, can you please again do it? Just close the screen, and because I believe they were not looking.
You see this preview over here. You can just click on the export model button and update your cloud model. So like just update it. So after you've updated it, you'll get a shareable link like this. Once you get that, go to qtpi.js and open your code snippet. So click on that qtpi.js web editor link.
Look at this, guys. Look at this.
Okay. So you can see my p5.js, right?
Can everyone confirm? Everyone can see Jafita's p5.js?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Jafita, please go ahead.
Okay, so once you open that, you can copy your shareable link. You can copy the whole thing or just the last part. This last thing, simple. So after you're done copying it, go to the 15th sentence. Just delete that link and then paste your link over there.
In the 15th line, you need to just delete the link and you need to paste it over there.
Paste your link. Okay, after you've done that, click on this play button.
I think, yeah, it's on, yeah.
So after it comes, you can just show your fruits and then check if it is able to identify it. Mango. Oh, it's getting okay. It's getting a little confused.
Question. Actually, when you don't show that fruits, it's like showing onion. Can't you just remove? Can we remove that?
I'm not sure about that, but you can go ahead and do it.
We have just given the 5 models which has been trained. That's why it's showing like that. No problem if that is happening. Usually, we just test the model in the teachable machines over there. There itself, you see. Okay, Jafita, can you go to the teachable machine?
Yes.
Yeah, can you close this? Can you see on the bottom, on the right side corner, can you see the output where it is trying to say, analyze and everything? Can you show an apple or something? Or a mango, whatever it may be? Okay.
It is getting confused, yeah.
Because of the lighting which is on the right side, right? Yeah. So when the light comes, the color of the pixel color is changing. That's why. It is trying to analyze from all the pictures because everything has the same background and everything, right? That's why. That's why it is trying to get confused. You have to just scroll a little bit down so that we can see mango and tomato. Yeah.
Sir.
Identify the tomato.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have 2 mouse, sir, computer mouse, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Both the mouses are there, sir. If I had recorded this mouse, sir.
Uh-huh.
When I am using the mouse, this one mouse I'm using, sir.
Okay.
When I'm showing this mouse, then also showing the mouse.
Yes,
sir.
because both are mouse. See, it is capturing. I'll tell you what. It is capturing the shape of it and color of this. How does it look like?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to show individual brand, different mouse and different brand, right? Then you have to give the model lots of information all around the corners and everything. Every information you need to give. Only then it will be able to. Only if you train the model, it will be able to identify. Okay, this is different brand mouse and this is different brand mouse. Okay.
Like when it's working upside down, no, sir, it will be looking same, no, sir. That's why it's doing like that.
Exactly. Okay.
Sir.
Cool.
Sir,
Yes.
so I have completed showing the thing and I clicked on train, so it's saying it's training. Does it take a lot of time, sir?
No.
It takes it takes only like some 10 seconds or something.
Cool. Jafita, would you like to see others model also? Maybe you can just ask them to share the screen.
Guys, you can share your screen if you're done.
Who want to share?
Okay, one second.
Is anyone done?
You have done, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, but one thing, sir. Whenever I'm not showing anything, sir, like this only my video is on, sir. It is showing computer mouse more, sir. Like 95% like that, sir.
It's a default thing, which is whatever has been updated, right? That is been showing. See, that is because the reason it might be when you just train the model, right? It will be capturing not only the particular image of the model, the whole background. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is calculating from all the 5 models or 2 models.
I think because the mouse is small, sir, it captured my face also, sir.
Yes,
When I was
exactly.
recording.
Exactly. So it is just trying to map which one is it is comparing only between the images whatever you're trained, guys. Just remember, whatever you are trained, it is comparing only between those. In this both image, when it is comparing, which is similar, which is more similar, accordingly it will give the result. Okay. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Hey, who'd like to show the model? Or Jafita here wanna see who have completed
Sir?
it? Charita.
Okay.
So this is Stuti. Actually, I clicked on train model, and then I just came for I came to the Qt Converse tab, and then now it's loading, and then after loading it came again. It's asking to again do it, sir. Jafita, can you help me with it? Well, sir is respond.
Yes.
See,
What
I just I had 5 objects. I did for all of them. I just did the webcam on, and then for all I did, and then when I clicked on train model, I just came for 2 seconds in the Qt Converse tab, and then in that in meanwhile, now when I again go to the image the teachable machine screen, then it's loading, and then after few seconds it came and it's asking again to do it from starting.
Okay, can you just try doing it again?
Okay, I'll just
Sorry guys, my internet went, so I'm back now.
I'll just do and be back here.
Jafita, would you like her to share the screen and guide her?
Sir, the whole project had just restarted, so she had to do it again.
Okay, let her do it. Ayur, I would suggest to show any big objects or something.
Jafita, I have a problem actually.
Yes, Charita.
So actually, when I went to I downloaded the PFI, the web editor, and I'm going to the image model, the export thing. I'm not able to copy my shareable link.
I think there's an option to do that. Just a minute.
Excuse me, sir.
1 minute, one by one. Jafita is clearing Charita's story.
Charita, there's an option given copy in the shareable link itself, right beside it.
For the shareable link, it's saying that when you upload your model, the teachable machine hosts it at a link.
Can you share your screen and show it to me?
Charita, we are waiting to share your screen.
Sir, I'm sharing, sir. Can you see?
It's loading. Yes, we can see your screen now.
It's showing.
You have not uploaded your model. You have to click on upload my model.
I forgot to do that.
That's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You can show us, Charita.
Question.
And 1 second, sir.
Jafita, this is for you, Jafita.
Sir, it's showing for me when I'm clicking on trading.
Wait, 1 minute. You should ask that out, Jafita.
Jafita, actually, when I'm clicking on train model, it's showing that it's telling that you can't. The page is not responding to you.
You can just give wait. It'll start responding.
Okay, thank you.
Any other
Jafita, question.
Yes.
Actually, can you just show me once again that where do we get the link?
Yes, I'll just show it to you. 1 minute. Okay, so now after you have trained your model, you have to you see right next to that there's the export model button. You have to click on that. and update your cloud model. So like I think it'll be like give an update over here. So you have to click on that, and after that your shareable link will become blue. So you can just click on copy over here, or you can copy the link.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome. Does anyone
else have
any
any other
questions? Guys, are you there?
I think they are busy in training their models.
Yes, sir.
Who wants the first?
Sir, can you see me?
Like, I have to again record, sir, so my video is off, and then like you are thinking if I'm there, so that's the reason.
Okay, so anyone have completed?
I've completed, sir, but one question. So should we keep a quotation marks while we are erasing the links?
Ask Jafita.
Yes,
Jafita.
the quotation
Like,
marks
can
and
she
your
show that how that like link? Because like that time I was making here, so I couldn't like see that. I
You
forgot
should
that.
ask her, not me.
just
Yeah.
a
Okay.
minute. Can you go one by one, please?
Can you share your again that P5 and how did you do that? Like,
Yes, and whoever had asked the question, the quotation marks and the colon should be there, the semicolon. You need the link, right? Are you asking for the
Mine is
link, Vaishnavi?
completed, sir.
I'm not asking for the link. Like after model train, like how will you get this export your model? That one can you just show?
Yeah, so you have to, after you train your model, click on export model and click on update my cloud model. After that, your link will become blue. You can copy that and open up your code snippet in the p5.js web editor, and you have to erase the normal
One
link
second,
over
slow.
here.
I'm not like I'm even doing 1 second.
Okay. Have you copied the link? Okay, open up your p5.js in the web, click on this purple thing over here, p5.js web editor.
Yeah, I have clicked on it.
Clicked on that. Okay, now go to line 15. In that, a normal link will be there. Erase that. Don't erase the semicolon and the quotations. So just erase that link and paste your link over there. After that, you can click on this play button, and then your screen, this camera will appear, and you can train your you can check if your model is trained properly.
Showing for me unexpected token.
Okay, can you share your screen and show me?
Okay, so please give me the option.
Yes.
Yeah, I have got it. 1 second. Yeah, share. And here, see, it's showing. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, it's visible.
So what can I do for this?
Just a minute. You have erased the quotation marks also along with this. So
Okay, so once again, I'll just open it. Trying opening
Jafita,
yes. Who's that?
clear Vaishnavi, sir. I can't.
Okay, so like this is quotation marks you meant.
Yes, the quotation marks. You can paste the link over there again.
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah.
Now click on that play button on the top.
Clicked.
Now you can check if your model is trained properly.
Okay, thank you, Jafita.
You're welcome. Who else had a question? Charita, I think.
Yes. Actually, I erased the quotation marks along with the link by mistake. So then Vaishnavi just took another thing. I tried.
Jafita, actually, like now I was in the teachable machine screen itself. Now, like while it was loading, like doing the train model, and that time it showed that page is unresponsive. As you said, Vaishnavi, even I did the same thing. Like I clicked on wait, it again came, and again again it's showing the same thing. I don't know what happened. This time I was in the screen, but
Yeah,
still.
can you just click on wait again and wait for some time?
No, now it's like it's showing like take again a pic, like take pictures again.
Um, I don't know. Maybe it's some network issue or something because usually
Shruti,
it doesn't happen.
yes,
Yes, sir.
Shruti, I believe you are having network issue. I can see you're just moving out and coming in. Just check your network is stable or not. Then train your model and
Sir, how can I give Jafita the sharing option, sir?
Right click on Jafita's
I-
name and you'll be able to.
okay, no problem. She took it. Happy? Okay, cool. So, Siti, you will be having the network issue, no problem. After the session, right, you can just train your model and you can upload it in the, this Facebook Live link is there, right? You can just post it over there. Oh, that is a good idea, right? Yes, Jeffita, we can ask them to
Yes.
put their session on this one, right? The Facebook comment.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that we all will know that, okay, yes, you guys have did this model
You
and
have
completed
done that.
successfully.
Sir, I have completed it, sir.
Lenora, oh,
Sir, actually, Ayur's link is not opening. It's showing some error.
Guys, sir, Charita has completed it, sir.
Okay. Who wants to show their project first?
Let Charita show.
Okay, Charita, I'll give you the presenter. Charita, can you share your screen and then show your project?
Yes. You can see my screen actually, I think. You can see my screen?
No,
not yet.
Charita.
Yeah,
It's
slowly.
loading. Okay, we can see it. Okay.
So I'm showing my earphones.
It's getting confused.
But did he give for fun earphone stuff?
Can
It's
you
okay.
try showing something else?
I did that actually.
Yes, yes. I think she would have given wanted for like instead of earphone, she would have given something else. No problem. I would request, use a bigger object or something because it is not taking only the picture of the earphone. It's taking the picture of yourself
Sir,
and
can you share the Facebook Live where it's happening on Facebook, sir? Can
will
you share that link?
will do. We'll do that. We'll do
Surely
that.
share. I'm gonna upload now.
Sir, can you see this, sir?
Yeah, sure. You can see it.
I showed my book and it's showing its book.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice, cool.
Nice.
Then my pouch.
Sir, share it now, sir.
Yeah, it is showing. It is showing. Sarita is like she want the Facebook link. Okay, let me see.
Sir, I
Sorry,
don't
not
want
Vaishnavi, right?
Vaishnavi.
I want
Vaishnavi. Yeah, I'm just sharing.
Sir,
it.
I think like if we're giving a small object, we need to put our hand as the background.
Sir, for mine, mouse is getting confused, sir. It's in the mouse.
Okay, just
You
one
can
minute.
train your model again by showing it in different directions. You can train your model again if it's getting confused.
Mm. Okay, perfect.
And my
Okay, guys, I think it's done, right? So, Jafita, anything else you would like to ask them before we are gonna wind up the session?
Do you have any other questions, guys?
nothing.
Are all your objects being identified without any confusions?
Yes, my object, everything is
My object,
after I
mouse,
check
it's
here.
not telling exactly. It's telling all out.
Okay, so you can train your model again just for the mouse. Take a few more pictures, record it for another 3 seconds, and then you check it again.
Even let me also train the model. I'm going to keep training the model. Definitely, it will record my face also. Okay,
You can
train
keep
model.
it in different directions and record it so that it will be able to identify it more easily.
True. Okay, training model for 05. Switch tabs. Perfect. Copied.
Don't paste it on like WhatsApp, sir, because my mother's phone is not connected it now. Like I'm not connected with it.
No problem. Cool. Okay, guys, cool. So I think that's it. So shall I just take over, Jafita?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay then. Cool. So we came to the end of the session. What are the things did we learn? Just give it a second. It's getting loaded. Oh. I just came to the something else. I'm sorry. So, okay, guys. So what are the things which we learned? Who can just wind up the session? We learned about what is the first thing which we learned about?
So first thing we learned about AI and then the machine learning.
AI and branch of AI is machine learning. In machine learning, what did we learn?
We learned three
The main
types,
thing.
which is supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Reinforcement learning.
Reinforcement learning. Okay, cool. Perfect. Then at last, what we did?
We learned a project on training our model.
In image model, teachable machine.
Perfect. Okay, cool. So this is what it's about. And how about, guys? We all thank Jafita to take up this, to teach us
Sir,
about this
I would
wonderful
like
thing.
to give some
Sir, I want to say
like
Hey.
some views.
Hey,
Views.
one by one.
Sir, I want to give first.
Okay, Vaishnavi. Yes, go ahead.
Jafita, it was a very nice session. I loved that project which you the machine learning project. And sir, you also taught very well.
Is it? Thank you very much.
this is
Nice project actually. I never thought that you will also teach us.
Is it? Okay, you don't want me to teach a what?
no, sir.
In Facebook Live, you never teaches, no sir. So I never thought that you'll teach us.
We just had a tag team actually. I want to teach so bad. It's been so long, right? So I asked Jafita, can you please give me one slot? Just few minutes. Then Jafita's like, okay, you can have it.
And then you created this presentation.
You should thank Jafita for this, okay? Because see, this presentation is basically hers. You can see our Jafita, see? It's basically hers. She's the one who trained the model for Apple and everything. See, I told, right? You should thank Jafita for giving this wonderful opportunity for me to teach you guys. Okay, guys. So, anyone else want to tell a word with Jafita before we wind up the session?
Me, sir.
Yes, Charita.
Sir, I want to say Jafita for giving such a nice, like a wonderful thing and teaching us something new, sir. Like it's like amazing, sir. No words, no comments like that. Sir, and your teaching was wonderful, sir. It was very fun and interactive, sir.
Is it? Thank you.
You're teaching
Thank
after
you.
so many classes, sir. You taught us in our school, except that you didn't teach us till now, sir.
Yes. I think this will be more fun than school, or which was fun? In the school was fun, or this was fun?
This was fun, sir. School, we were with many people, just have many doubts. Here, no, not so much doubts, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Cool.
if you remember, if you had many batches, sir, you were saying that We were only the talkative batches in school.
I wouldn't say talkative, I would say interactive batches.
Sir, like the online mode of learning, you won't understand much, sir. Like our third standard and fourth standard teachers, you ask them, sir. They will tell us. They'll tell you our clear picture, sir.
About?
Actually, yeah.
Like sir, like online mode of learning, we can't talk to each other in middle, no, sir. In in school, in school normal classes, like we in middle we used to chit chat, sir, sometimes. So that our older teachers might say properly than our fifth teacher, no, sir, fifth standard
Oh,
teacher,
is it?
like that.
Okay. Cool. Yes, Lenora want to tell something, right? She was waiting, I believe.
So I like this session. It was nice to learn making models, and before this I did not have idea of what is a machine language. Thank you, Jafita, for teaching us such a wonderful model, and sir, thank you for teaching me something new.
Thank you.
We mentioned that when online we didn't chit chat, no sir. So in online also we are chit chatting, sir. Take phone, videos on.
Actually, in school, like we would do face to face, and in fourth, sir, me and Stuti fighted a lot, sir. You won't believe, sir. Me and Stuti, Lina Koshi ma'am, sir, will include her in our fight.
Okay, enough of this lots of fight and everything. I think it's time to wind up the session, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Next Sunday, the code master is Stuti.
Yes, it's going to be Stuti. So what project and everything is going to be surprise. We are not going to conclude what is the name of the project.
Yes,
Today itself. Stuti, don't tell.
Thursday or
No,
Friday,
don't tell.
they might get to know, no, sir.
That is on Thursday, right? Till that, let them be on. Let them
Surprise.
wait.
Sir, somehow
Jafita won't be there.
Somehow we will try to know what our
Sir,
project is.
next class, Jafita won't be there.
Jafita will be occupied, I believe. If she's free, she'll come. Jafita, they're asking if you're free, will you be joining us?
You are welcome to our session, Jafita. You can come anytime.
I will see if I'm free and I will join for sure.
Yeah, you know what? She's having a YouTube channel. She and her brother, they're just making cool videos. I would have shown in the class also, right? One YouTube channel about.
So, what is the channel's name? Can you check
Yes,
it in the
sir.
chat box?
You actually showed it to me.
Is it?
I don't remember, sir.
Jeffy, what's the channel name?
Get on Wizard.
Yeah, Jaron Wizard. Right.
Can you text it in the chat box?
I'm giving the whole link. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, 47 videos and 170 subscribers. Okay, yeah, I saw all your videos also. Yeah, I got.
Yeah. So I've shared.
I saw many videos, sir.
I shared your videos, to these people. They're also learning from you. So.
Sir, I simply search when I'm bored, no, sir. I'll simply search more projects and do, sir. I did 3 or 4 projects of Jafita's channel also. A few game projects in
Share this link in our group, sir. We have.
Yes. You can just look into this, and this is the Jafita channel. She'll be making new projects. One of the project was teachable machine. Whatever she taught us, right? She once made a YouTube video as well.
I had made.
Yes, sir. This is only the link which even I got.
Yes. Okay, guys. Cool then. I think it's time to wind up the session. Thank you very much for this wonderful session, Jafita. Jafita, would you like to have a word before winding up the session?
Yes. Thank you all for giving me an opportunity to become an ambassador. I enjoyed this conversation with you. I really loved the feedbacks, and I'm on cloud 9 now. So I thank you all.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, Jafita, for joining us, and thank you for giving me an opportunity to teach these guys. Okay.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye, everybody.
See you all. See you on the next week.
Bye.
Catch you next week. Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
Bye. Have a wonderful day. Happy Sunday.
Bye, guys.
Happy Sunday. Happy weekend.
Happy weekend. Okay. Bye.